The morning after microneedling, as you can see, we still have some visible blood speckles. That's completely fine. Growth factors are coming. And I have pretty sensitive skin, so this is very normal for me. So same thing as last night. This is the ampules that we went in with during the microneedling as well. This is an anti-aging serum that's derived from snail, and it's going to help fill in for the micro channels that we created. After going in with that, then we're going to go in with a very, very hydrating, no acid kind of serum. This is the ceramide serum from Paula's Choice. You want to make sure for the next 3-4 days, you're not using any kind of actives. Then we go on with the same moisturizer as yesterday. Focus is on intense ceramides and hydration. This is the one cream that doesn't stain your skin. Last point here is pretty important, sunscreen. I really emphasize the importance of using a mineral sunscreen after procedures like this because chemical sunscreens can penetrate into your skin while as mineral sunscreens sit on top. So these are some of my favorite mineral sunscreens that are not tinted. You just want to make sure you're using the least irritating products for your skin. So these kinds of mineral sunscreens are just going to kind of sit on top of your skin, which kind of explains the white cast. Everything I put on my skin still hurts, so I'm being super careful right now.